everyone, welcome to the new Infinity Cracked universe. This is newly universe made by Hacker SK for all the upcoming hackers. In this universe you will came to learn about cybersecurity and latest technology and many more of subscribers' interest. The flow of knowledge is infinite and knowledge is fed here. We make experts here. The owner of this universe is Shivam SK, a coding expert.
Thanks everyone for watching this video.